Yes, what are the different properties of square, Abhinav? Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am. All sides are equal. All
very good.
angles are equal.
Okay. Is diagonals are
Diagonals are
equal?
equal. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Diagonals are equal.
And bisect each other? Very good. Is angles are 90, right angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, very good. Next, what is the properties of kite, Manideep? Manideep, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Manideep, kite. You just go with the kite part. Kite. What are the properties of kite?
Diagonals are perpendicular to each other.
Wonderful. Diagonals are
Two,
yes.
two, two pairs of equal consecutive sides, ma'am.
Very good. One pair of consecutive, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay. You
one
just
of the
imagine. You just imagine your kite shape, Nana. You just let me draw the kite on the screen so that I'll. Yes, sir. Only those two properties. Is it
no,
diagonals divides the kite
yes,
into two
one of
congruent
the
triangles?
diagonal bisect the other, ma'am.
Okay. These two diagonals are equal or unequal?
Unequal, ma'am.
Very
Two
good.
diagonals.
Yes, diagonals bisect each other, but diagonals are not unequal, but it divide the two triangles. Whatever the triangles, the diagonal divides triangles are congruent to each other. One pair of not both.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, this is about properties of trapezium. Isosceles trapezium also very important, children. What is a trapezium? What is isosceles trapezium? Very, any one of the class. Isosceles trapezium.
Ma'am, in isosceles trapezium, both of the ma'am two
Yes,
ma'am one
right.
pair is parallel.
Is it right? Very good. One pair is parallel.
Ma'am, and then ma'am, and then two adjacent angles are supplementary.
Two adjacent angles are supplementary. These two sides are anywhere same sides. Isosceles.
Yes, ma'am.
Isosceles means what,
Yes,
Nana?
ma'am.
That is the point. That's why
Ma'am,
I'm waiting.
two sides are equal. Ma'am,
Hmm.
two opposite sides are equal.
Very
One
good.
pair
Where one pair of opposite sides are
equal.
equal. The see children in isosceles trapezium, co-interior angles are supplementary and the diagonals are in isosceles trapezium is diagonals are yes diagonals are equal, children. That is most important point. And opposite angles are not all opposite. So one pair of opposite angles are equal. That is most important thing. And what about rectangle, children? Rectangle. Who will say about rectangle? Harshita? Harshita, what about rectangle?
Yes, ma'am. Can
Yes, rectangle, please. All angles in a rectangle are 90 degrees. The diagonals of rectangle are equal. Any other points you supposed to?
Ma'am, opposite sides are equal.
Very good.
opposite.
Opposite sides are equal. Very good. Yes. Now, what about rhombus? Nana, what is the difference between rhombus and square?
Their angles are different, ma'am.
Okay. In square and rhombus, all sides are equal. So then only you just see diagonals are unequal in rhombus. Come on, children, please. Based on the properties, we will go with some questions today. Just a minute. Yesterday I gave one bit as a homework. Did you complete that bit, Nana? Last ninth question. Yes, it is a two. There are two parallelograms intersecting each other. Is this bit completed, children? Let me. The question number 9 in the page number 51. Yes, did you completed that bit? Children, please let me know. Yes or no? Did we completed the bit or not? I don't know. No response from these kids. See, children, but it is not rectangle here. They gave another figure. Let me draw this. You just see the angles of this part is in this quadrilateral. One of the angle is given as 100 degrees and another angle is given as 80, children. Yes. Can you please find out the other two angles? Which of these two sides are parallel? Which of in this trapezium, which of the sides are parallel? Yes. Which of the sides are parallel, children? Explain how this figure is a trapezium and which of its two sides are parallel. That is the question. Yes, children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain how this figure is trapezium. Yes. How this figure is trapezium and which two sides are parallel in this figure? Yes. Why it is trapezium, children? Why it is trapezium? Did we discuss about trapezium, no? Trapezoid, trapezium, no, not it, right? In trapezium, no side is equal, children. You just see sides are unequal sides. No side is equal. That is the base point. No side is equal. So in this case, we can see only, we can say that this is not a, no side is equal. But we can say what are parallel sides, children. Suppose if I'm taking like a B, C, D, what are parallel sides? Who
Ma'am,
will
AB and
be?
CD.
AB is parallel to?
CD, ma'am.
CD, ma'am.
Yes, AB is parallel to BC. Yes.
Ma'am, but this is only possible in isosceles trapezium, no,
Yes.
ma'am?
Yes. So this is only possible. Why it is only possible in isosceles? What is the difference between isosceles trapezium and trapezium?
Ma'am, in isosceles trapezium, two sides are parallel
And
and two
equal
sides
also,
are.
Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal also. If suppose isosceles trapezium means these sides are equal. Only whatever non-parallel sides are equal. Yes. Next one, you just think and give. There is no question about that. Only the thing is given as textbook. Is it trapezium? Give me in which of two sides are parallel. If two sides are parallel means when it is parallel, children. If two sides are parallel means both should be isosceles trapezium only. It is possible. Sides should be equal. Next, the same case, another trapezium is given like that. Let me draw the other trapezium too. This is another trapezium given. Here angle is 120 given. 120. In this trapezium, they're asking about is this trapezium or not? First question. Second question is if two of its Which two of its sides are parallel? Which two of its sides are parallel, Nana? There are
Oh.
three.
Ma'am,
These are the three diagrams given in the
Okay.
textbook, children. You have to think and answer the questions.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
A,
AB and DC are parallel.
Okay, 130. This is right angle given, children. Now this is PQRS. PQRS. Is this trapezium? First question. If S, which two sides are parallel?
Yes, ma'am, it's a trapezium.
Yes, it is trapezium. Which two sides are parallel?
Ma'am, SP and RQ.
In before case, AB is parallel to DC. Yo, which is parallel, Nana?
Ma'am, SP and RQ.
Very good. SP and RQ are parallel to each other. This is the simple question. Not only this, we have some other part also. The question is given like you just to see regarding to rhombus. We know that rhombus all sides are equal. Rhombus all sides are equal. Just imagine, children, all sides are equal. Here, this side is given as 12. This side is given as 12 means rest all the sides are how much, Nana?
12, ma'am.
12 only.
12.
No, not that side, children. Just a minute. They just draw the diagonals here. Let me draw the diagonals. This is the diagonals given. We know that what we know that about rhombus, children. Is this diagonals bisect each other? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then yes means please. This is the name it as RICE rice. This one name it as RICE rice. In this rice which is bisect each other, you know that all sides are equal for rhombus. This point intersecting point is O. This O to E is called as X. If it is X means the value other side is also same, right, children? Both bisect each other. And this is given as 5. This side is OC is given as 12. OC is given as 12. You're supposed to find out the value of Z. How much, children? What is the value of Z? First thing, you're supposed to find out the value of Z. Only one side is given. Any side, if any side, either IC or CE or the ER, all are equal in this case, so that ER is given as 13 centimeters. So obviously Z is also 13. And OE is nothing but OE is nothing but OI. OE is given as X. X is nothing but 5 centimeters. The same way OR is nothing but OC. So OR is nothing but OC, but they didn't ask about X, Y. Where is Y? No, only X and Z you're supposed to find out, children. OR equal to, if anything value is given also, you can find easily the Y value. Unknown things. Y is also given, children. This part is Y only. This
Ma'am,
is-
X is 5 only, ma'am. It's
X
given.
is 5, even Y is how much, Nana? OC, it's nothing but equal to 12 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
This is X, this is Y, this is Z value. How you will get all sides are equal? That's why based on all sides.
Ma'am, in rhombus are all angles equal?
Kaadu, Nana. All sides are equal.
Ma'am, only sides, no, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Only sides, but in square, that is the difference between rhombus and square. Square angles equal, sides equal, but diagonals also equal. All are equal there. But here only
Only
sides
sides are equal. Diagonals and angles are not equal.
not equal. Opposite, yes. All sides are equal. That's why z value is 13. And diagonals bisect each other. So OE is nothing but OI. So OI is given as 5 centimeters. Obviously, X is 5 centimeters. The same way OY is given as, OY is given as Y. But another side it is given as 12 centimeters. You just equate, find out the values of X, Y, Z. This is one way, children. About rectangle, there is a one more question given in the textbook. In this rectangle, like what about rectangle, children? Just now one student said, what about rectangle? What about rectangle, children?
Each
Rectangle.
Ma'am, in
diagonals are
rectangle also
equal.
diagonals are equal.
Very good. So that
Opposite sides are even equal. No?
yes, opposite sides are equal. Let me
Ma'am,
see what are the things are given in our text question. 3x plus y is given from O to T, O to T, 3x plus given. Next, this is N, this is RENT, rent, rectangle is taken. O is diagonal bisector. And in this side, OR is given as 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. In this, what you're supposed to find out, x value you're supposed to find out, Nana. How you will find out x value? We know that about rectangles. What we know about rectangles? What we know about rectangles, Nana? OT equal to OE, OR equal to ON. But they both diagonals bisect each other. Can we equate both together? 3x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 4. Yes, so shall we equate like that? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are equal. So that if you transpose x to other side, it becomes 3x minus 2x. This 1 if you transpose other 4 minus 1. So x is equal to 4 minus 1 is nothing but how much, Nana? X value is
3, ma'am.
3. This is the way you can find out the unknown variable in the given sum. NCERT we have very less questions, student. Let's see. The question regarding to angles, another question. It's rectangle. Diagonals are given. Yes, the values of few angles are given here. It is 21 degrees. And this is given as x. You need to find out the values of, calculate the values of x. Yes. What is the value of x, children? How
ma'am,
you
21.
Of course,
Yes.
21.
How you will get 21 it is?
Ma'am, since all angles are equal in 90.
Okay, rectangle all angles are equal to 90
Yes,
degrees.
ma'am.
But here is this It is not complete angle, it is some part of angle. Which property we can use here to calculate the value of x?
Ma'am, 90 minus 21.
90 minus, very good. 90 minus 21 is how much? Very good.
69, ma'am.
Ma'am, 79.
Huh?
69.
69, ma'am.
69.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if
69.
it is 69, total together we know that x plus is, if it is 69, what angle children? It should be, suppose we want only x value. We want only x value.
Ma'am, 69.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
how
x
it
is 69.
x is 69. How it is? How it is, please. How you will get x value in this? Yes, Harshita. How you will get
Yes, ma'am.
x value as 69?
Ma'am, 90 minus 21.
90 minus 21. Very good, one idea. And any other property we can use here? Why we can subtract only 21?
Yes, ma'am. 90 minus 69.
90 minus 69, it is 21. Yes, I know that. What property we are using there? Is it any, which?
Ma'am, because it's right angle.
Very good. It's rectangle. Angle should be equal to 90 degrees. Sum should be equal to 90. Very good. So 21 plus
Ma'am, 21 plus x equals to 90.
right, ma'am. We can write it and find out the values. This is one way of asking in the examination angles also. They won't ask about the sides and all. Another thing is given in the same rectangular concept. The diagonals are given. Just to see the diagonals are given. Diagonals, how much it is given unknown. This is a property, lines and angles, children. Please apply lines and angles properties, what you learned in your lower classes. This is two lines meet, the intersecting point is O. Angles, four angles made. This angle is given as 112 degrees. And this is given as A and this is given as B. You need to find out A and B also. Yes, how you supposed to find out? Can we go with this is vertically opposite angles 112? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Both should be, all three together should be 360, but 112 plus 112 means 224. 224 minus 360. How much, Nana? Which property we can use here? Is it any, what
136, ma'am.
100 and, you just see it, children. It's 224 minus 360. It's nothing but how much, children? It's 6. 6, 5 minus 2 means 3. 36. 136. 136 should be shared by both. That means 120, 60, 120, 68. Each angle is 68. This is 68. This one is 68. Now, how you're supposed to find out the value of A? Is any formula to find out the value of A and B here? Yes, how we supposed to find out the value of A? We know that the properties of corresponding angles are equal, right? Is this 112 and A both are corresponding angles, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this 112 and A are corresponding angles?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we take it as A value as 112?
Yes, ma'am.
Even 68 and B are vertically
Correct.
opposite angles.
Yes, ma'am.
So that B is how much? 68.
Yes.
68. So that this is the way you can find the different angles, unknown angles from the given things. But In our textbook only we have properties based on that. No angles is given. Anyway, it is tested also. You can go through like that. Lines and angles. So you just recollect your points, lines and angles. Two parallel lines cut by a line makes a transversal. There are 8 angles. Interior angles are equal. Exterior angles are equal. And same side of the transversal makes a supplementary. These are the different properties you're supposed to remember from lines and angles so that you can solve here very easily today. Do you have any doubts from your textbook, student? Please let me know in this chapter we will discuss. Yes,
No, ma'am, for me.
just a minute, Mama. Just a minute, children. We'll see here in the question bank any different parts of the we can go with the Yes. Children, please answer the questions. Simple closed curve made up of only dash is called polygon. Polygon, simple closed curve made up of only, is it line segments? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer the questions, children. Anyway, most of the topics are completed in the chapter. Please answer. Simple closed curve made up of only line segments are called polygons. Option B is correct. Polygon with minimum number of sides. Which is the minimum number? Minimum.
Ma'am, triangle.
Triangle,
Very good.
ma'am.
Polygon that have no portions of their diagonals in their exteriors are called no portion of diagonals in their exterior. Only diagonals are found interior. What type of? No.
Triangles.
No.
Convex,
Polygon.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
concave.
Very. No. In
Convex, ma'am. Convex.
convex. No,
Con
in
Where?
yeah. Question. Listen carefully, children. Polygon that have no portion of their diagonals in their exterior. That means only diagonals form inside. Inside means in convex. Next. Polygon that have any portion of diagonals in their exteriors are called concave polygon.
Concave.
Caves. Yes, caves. Cave. Concave. All the sides of a regular polygon are regular polygon means all sides are
Equal, ma'am.
equal in length. Very good. B, option B is correct. All angles of a regular polygon are of dash. All angles of a regular
Ma'am, equal length.
Equal length.
Equal.
equal length, equal measures. All angles are equal length. Angles
Ma'am,
means
equal measure.
angles means measures. Sides means equal length. That is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
important point. Please remember. Don't confuse children. Sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides are given by.
Ma'am, n minus 2 whole into 180.
Very
180,
good.
ma'am.
Which option A is correct? Maximum number of right angles in right angle triangle.
Ma'am, 4.
Maximum number of
3, ma'am.
right angles. No, maximum number of right angles in a right
Ma'am, 1 only, ma'am.
right angled triangle. Only one. 3 how
Yes,
will
ma'am. Only 1, ma'am.
sum of angles only 180 means 3 will how you will get children only
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Only 1.
One. Sum of all interior angles of a parallelogram. Interiors, Nana. Sum of all interior of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, right?
Ma'am, 360.
360. Very good. Angle sum of all interior angles of a convex polygon of 7 sides. Any sides. Sum of
Yes.
interiors, how you supposed to find out with using the formula, children? 7 minus 2 means 5. 5 into
Ma'am,
1 is
900 degrees.
very good, very good. Next, Manideep should answer. I am getting only answers from Abhinav. Exterior angle. Each exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Hexa means how many sides, Nana?
Ma'am, 7.
Hexagon.
6,
Hey,
ma'am.
6 sides. Very good. So each exterior angle of a regular hexagon is
Ma'am, oh. Ma'am,
exterior.
it's oh.
We know that Nana sum of all angles equal to 360.
Ma'am,
Regular hexagon means all sides are equal, Nana. Divide with 360
Ma'am,
divide with
60 degrees.
very good 60 degrees. 12th question. The number of sides of a regular polygon is 15. Number of sides of a regular polygon is 15. The measures of each exterior angle is 360 divided with 15, Nana. 360 divided with the 15.
Ma'am, 24 degrees.
Which option is correct? Option A is
A.
correct. Now, Divyesh, Ayush, are you there? Ayush, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, can you please read the 13th question, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am. How many diagonals does a convex quadrilateral have?
How many number of diagonals in a convex quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means 4 sides, right, Nana? How many diagonals? What is the formula for us? The diagonals have, yes, diagonals. Diagonal formula. Abhinav, I said diagonals formula also. N into n minus 2 by. Yes, Abhinav, what's the formula? Abhinav, you raised the hand. What is the formula?
1 minute, ma'am.
Huh?
360, ma'am.
No, diagonals
No.
I'm asking, Nana. Hey, how many diagonals does have a convex
Ma'am,
quadrilateral?
the answer is 2, but I'm checking the formula.
What is the formula? How you suppose n into n minus 2 by 2. N is how much here? Quadrilateral means 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 by
2.
4 into 1 minute, Nana. 4 n into n
2,
minus
ma'am.
n minus 2 or n minus 3, I think so, Nana. N into n minus
Ma'am, it's 3, ma'am.
n minus 3 by 2. Yes, n into n minus 3 means 4 into 1 by 2. 4 by 2 it's nothing but 4 by 2 is nothing but how much?
2, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2.
What is the formula, Abhinav? Please repeat the formula once again. You have to write in one paper, children, all this. Diagonal.
N into n
mi-
whole
n into,
minus 3 by 2.
n into n minus 3 by 2. Don't forget, children. Next question, who will read? Harshita, 14th question. Harshita should answer 14th question, please. Harshita, are you there? Abhinav, sorry, not Abhinav. Ayush, please read the 14th question to Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am. How many diagonals does a regular hexagon have?
Regular hexagon means how many sides, Nana? 6. 6 into 6 minus 3 by 6. So how many? N into n minus 3 by n. Only how many, Abhinav? Yes. Ayush, how many?
Ma'am, n into
N minus 3 by 2.
2, no, ma'am. Ma'am,
2.
I'm getting 33 by 2.
Ma'am, 9, ma'am.
No, n into n minus 2 regular hexagon means all sides are hexa means 6, ma'am. 6 into 3 by 2. So 3 3s are 9, but none of these in this. Very good. Next, coming to the 15th question. How many diagonals does have a triangle? Is the triangle having any diagonal, children?
0, ma'am.
0 diagonals, no diagonals. Come on, coming to the next one. Manideep should answer worksheet 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Manideep, please read and answer the questions.
The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 140. The number of sides that regular polygon has.
Yes. See, Nana, each interior angle, so measures of each interior of a regular polygon is given as 140. Number of sides you're supposed to find out. So how you supposed to find out, Nana? Regular figures, all angles are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How you supposed to find out here?
140 by
140 by,
6, ma'am.
why we should take only 6, Nana?
No.
Who will answer this question? Please raise your hand. The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 140 degrees. Each interior of regular polygon is 140 degrees. The number of sides of a
Yes,
regular
ma'am.
polygon. Who will give? Sum of all sides, sum of each interior size in a regular polygon is how much, Nana? All sides are equal. All sides are equal means all angles also equal, right? Yes, is it which shape you just go with? Which cup, how you supposed to check, children? You can go with answer to question also in this case. If you are unable to find like that, you can go with answer to question. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 140 degrees. Then the number of sides of a regular polygon. (360 minus 140), how much, Nana? How you supposed to do this question first, beta? Yes, anyone from the class? How you supposed to do that? The measures of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 140. The number of sides you're supposed to find out. How you will find out number of sides? 360 by n, right? No, but it is asking about each interior angle is 140 degrees. If it is 140 means n into 140 by n.
Ma'am, if it's exterior angle, we could do, no, ma'am.
Exterior means 360. We know that it is given as interior, Nana. Is there any logic to find out sum of sides here? We just go with that. Each angle is 140. So 140 into sides. How you supposed to sides? Regular polygon means all sides are equal, all angles also equal.
Ma'am, they just gave one. Ma'am, they just gave one angle and are asking number of
Yes,
sides.
Nana, you
ma'am.
just draw it. Let me try. Why you just leave? This is a regular polygon. You take whatever the polygon, regular polygon you're supposed to take. Suppose this angle is given as 140. This angle is given as, but they are not telling about a hexagon. I'm just taking one of the polygon, 140. Regular polygon means all sides are also equal, right? No, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Then what is the side? How you supposed to find out the side is the question. How you supposed to find out the side?
Ma'am, I think it's impossible.
Yes, it is possible, I can say.
X, ma'am.
Yeah, no. Of course, if you take as a x-sided polygon, n-sided polygon means n into n minus 2. We know that what we know from that you supposed to frame an equation. Just a minute. That is very important. We know that what we know, Nana, formula for the sum of angles, interior angles. Abhinav, what is the formula for sum of interior angles?
Ma'am, n minus 2 into 180.
Very good. N minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. So here, this is the sum of interiors. Sum of interiors. We know that what is sum of all interiors, we don't know, but each angle we know that suppose n-sided polygon means, how you will take, Nana? N-sided polygon means n as it is, you are supposed to write minus 2 into 180 is nothing but how you supposed to take 140. How many times 140 also we don't know. 140, 140, 140. And I suppose n sides means we are not going to equate it.
Ma'am, I took like that, but it's not coming, ma'am.
No. Yeah, of course, if you substitute like that, you will get only each angle how you will get even the question.
Ma'am, but how can we find number of sides with only one angle, ma'am?
Any other point, children? 140. You just go with 140 multiples, Nana. 14 multiples. What are 14 multiples, Nana? 140, 280. Then how much, Nana? Next number, 14 table. Please tell the 14 table, Nana. 140, 260. Yes. 28, 38, 38, 42, 420, 52, and 560. Then 560 after 700. Then 700 after
840, ma'am.
then any multiple are coming under is like 180 multiples are happening, children. Here you just observe. Any multiples of 180 multiples are happening in this 840. Then next angle is 949.
980, ma'am.
980. Then 980 plus
1120, ma'am.
980 plus 114, 98, 108, 112, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to check, Nana. Any 18 multiples are there in this? 18 multiples. Why I'm asking 18 multiples are there? Please check it. Any 18 multiples are there? 18 table. Who will say fastly 18 table? 18, 36. Then yes, no one is not giving. Yes, 36.
54, ma'am.
54. Then
72, ma'am.
Then 90. No, you are very poor at tables. You are not thinking. You are simply sitting, children. 108. So anywhere you are getting the multiples of here 108 and the next number
126.
126. So you can extend anywhere the multiples are common multiples are happening so that we can suppose how many sides are given in our actions, Nana? How many sides are given in our actions? Yes, just a minute. Or else answer to question how you supposed to do here. Is 140. Suppose all the sides if you multiply 140. Any square roots concept you will apply here, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
The square roots. Go with the second bit now. Next we will discuss the first one. At last we will discuss. Which of the following polygon is a convex polygon? Convex means diagonals are interior. First one is not a polygon. Second one is maybe it's not convex. Is it second one convex, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it second one convex or concave? Convex.
Ma'am, it's convex only.
Next, third one, convex. Which of the following polygons is a convex polygons? Is this last D option on option D is convex or concave? I think the second one you see, second one B bit is a convex or concave?
Ma'am,
I think it is not. Is it a convex or concave?
ma'am, convex is diagonals are exterior, I think, ma'am.
Lana, you are telling second bit you told as a convex, but it is not convex, right? So just see, let me take this figure. Let me draw. So what I said, the diagonals should be exterior. Can we draw diagonals here? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this what type of figure? Is it convex or concave?
Ma'am, convex.
మళ్ళీ రాంగ్ చెప్తున్నావు నాన్న. Diagonals outside means
Ma'am, is it concave
yes.
if exterior?
Yes, that's why I'm asking. Is it this is concave figure? It's not convex figure. So then your this is second one is concave. Caves. Even D is also concave. Only which is convex polygon? Option C is convex polygon. Next, which of the following is concave polygon? Caves are there in the option C. Rest all are, this is not a polygon. Why? Because it is a circular region. This is a polygon, this is not polygon. Only concave means option C. I gave one examples also, children, for concave. For concave, caves, like it should be caves. I said the word, it should be like a caves also. So just suppose, imagine, this is one figure. So this is like a cave. You can just go with the like a caves. These all are like a caves. You just like a caves. I said the word also. Don't forget about this. Next one, you see the fourth question here. The following of x in the following figure, x value how much? It is very simple question, children. Sum of interiors of a quadrilateral should be 360. You have to add up and subtract from 360. You will get the rest of the angle. Coming to the fifth one, a quadrilateral which has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides are called. Yes, who will give this? A quadrilateral, two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides.
Ma'am, kite.
Very good. Very good. Why? Because in parallelogram, two pairs of equal sides, not two pairs of equal sides, but they are parallel. It's not by adjacent. Here the two pairs of equal adjacent sides, but unequal opposite sides. Unequal opposite sides, adjacent sides are equal means only you will immediately get the option as kite. The value of x in this. How you supposed to find out the value, Nana? Five-sided polygon. All sides are equal. So five-sided sum of interiors of this is, how you supposed to find n into n minus, sorry, n minus 2 into 180. So n minus 2 into 180 is how much? It's a pentagon, 540. 540 divided with 5. 540 divided with 5 means? Yes, children, 540 divided with 520 or 540?
One not
520 or 540, Nana? N minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 3 into 18. 18 3s are 540. 540 by 545 divided by 5. How much you will get 540 by 5? Is it 108?
yes, ma'am.
Next, go to the 7th question. The value of x in the following figure. What is the value of x in the following figure? You see there are exterior angle is given as x. We know that exterior angle is nothing. What is the angle of the equilateral triangle, Nana? Thus, whatever the figure shows, it is an equilateral triangle. We know that
Ma'am, it's
all angles are equal 60. X plus
ma'am, x is 120 degrees.
very good. X is 120. Why? Because 120 plus 60 gives 180. Like that also they will question children. Please be careful. But it is only given as all sides are equal. Equal means equilateral triangle. Each angle in equilateral triangle is 60. So x plus 60 is 180. 1x is 120. Next question, please. Go through the next one. Nana will discuss this so that we can leave. Quick. A parallelogram whose all sides are equal. Parallelogram with all sides are equal. Yes, a
Ma'am,
parallelogram.
square, ma'am.
Is it a square or is it a rhombus?
Ma'am,
Or-
rhombus.
Huh?
Ma'am, rhombus.
Why can't a square? They're telling about parallelogram with all sides are equal. Parallelogram with all sides are equal. What is the point I gave for you, children? Parallelogram with all sides are equal is nothing but
Ma'am, rhombus.
rhombus. Don't forget, children. Don't forget. These are many times I said rhombus. Next, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at what angles? Diagonals of rhombus bisect each
Ma'am,
other.
90. Ma'am,
Very good. Why? Because diagonals are perpendicular, right?
yes, ma'am, B.
90 degrees, right angle. Next, 11th question, diagonals of a rectangle. Equal. Is it? Yes,
Ma'am,
is
equal.
equal to each other. Option A is correct. The diagonals of square bisect each other at what angles?
Ma'am, right.
Right. That's all, children. Please go through the other parts of this also so that you can answer these questions. We can see the diagram and find out the values of. Please go through. There are beautiful questions in this. There are more worksheets you have. You can go through. If you have any doubts, please let me know, children. We'll discuss in the class too. Already most of the questions I discussed in the class only. If you go through once, you can get an idea. That's all, children. Have a nice day. Any doubts in today's class? Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we end up the session today? There are many students absent. Why I don't know. Only I can hear Mani, Abhinav voice and Manideep, Ayush. What about Divyesh? Divyesh, are you there? No. Harshita, they are busy with the reading examination, I think so. Children, you have exams in this week, next week of your periodical assessment too. Do you have?
Ma'am, we have term 1.
Okay, term 1 exams you have. Okay, when it is?
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am,
term one
next
on
to
like
next week.
in September, ma'am.
No, this month probably other class 8th year students said most of the students having 23rd to this week, last week of August, they have exams. Is you have same like that?
No, ma'am, for us it is starting on September 18th.
Ma'am, for us it's on September 13th.
Okay, children, please, if you have exams, please share your doubts. So we'll discuss here. Please
Also,
practice.
ma'am,
the
do you
rest.
have like a separate Google Classroom where you have all the notes and question banks and everything?
Yes, we have. Just
Ma'am,
now I
can you like share it to me right now?
yes, where in the chat box.
Yeah, ma'am, chat box.
Is it possible to share that link here? Let me.
Yes, ma'am. All you have to do is like,
Let me.
yeah.
Please guide me so that I can
Sure,
share.
ma'am. Screen share.
Just a minute, Anna. I'll share the screen. Please guide me. I'll share that part. There are wonderful question banks, children. Please go through all possible varieties of questions. Are that's why maybe a few students are not aware about that.
Mm-hmm.
This is class, even class 8B also uploaded, I think so. Let me check whether it is uploaded or not.
Okay.
8th, from 8th I took, but 8B, what happened? 8th it is not uploaded, Nana. It's supposed to, yeah. Just a minute. This is the question bank you have in this. How I supposed to share? Please guide so that I can share over there.
No need, ma'am. I copied the. I took the screenshot so I can post, like, paste the link, and that's it. Done.
No, no, no. This is our classroom. Where is just now? It's
Okay, ma'am. Then can you see the top where it says classroom.google.com?
This link I supposed to share with you.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Then can you? Yeah.
Yeah, I just copy and send to you. Okay, thank you, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Control C here. Okay, so that we can share here means you can access that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please practice. Those are very important. All varieties of possible questions are given in that question bank. Please go through if you have
Sure,
any.
ma'am. I'll go through it once.
Yes. Chat box, why it is copied. Or else, can I share this complete part in our classroom, Nana? I have like this part. If link is shared means enough for you.
Yes, ma'am. It will redirect.
That's it. That's it. I guess.
It's not copied. Why I don't know. Yeah, I just sent. Please check, Nana. Is it opening or not? So that you can practice those questions too. Yes, you got that link, Nana, in the chat
Yes,
box.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Please check it whether it is opening or not.
Ma'am, it says class not for. Wait one second.
Ma'am, it's opening for me.
Yeah, it's done. It's done. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
right, Nana. Please practice the chapter wise you have. Please go through chapter wise, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
any updated questions also I'll share with again later. Whatever the questions you please practice.
Sure, ma'am.
Right, Nana, right. Thank you, children. Even I don't know how to share that link. Thank you.
Oh,
Right, children. Bye. Yes, children.
Bye,
Should
ma'am.
we end?
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
children. Bye.